Number 1. 1996 Ford F150, price $6,500. This truck has approximately 270,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. The truck sports a bold red exterior paired with a matching red interior, giving it a classic and cohesive look. Powered by a reliable 4.9L gasoline engine, it delivers a strong and consistent performance that has made this model a favorite among truck enthusiasts. The vehicle is equipped with a smooth 5-speed transmission, cold air conditioning, and a fully functional heating system, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. Known for its durability and simple yet rugged design, this F-150 continues to represent the dependable craftsmanship that defined Ford trucks of the era, making it a great choice for collectors or those seeking a reliable daily driver with vintage appeal. Number 2. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500, showing approximately 225,000 miles on the odometer. This truck is powered by a gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a smooth and dependable driving experience. Its white exterior is complemented by a warm brown interior, creating a timeless and rugged look that remains appealing even today. This particular model operates and drives well, maintaining strong performance despite its mileage. Equipped with a reliable 4WD system, it offers excellent traction and stability on various terrains, making it equally capable for work sites, off-road adventures, or daily driving. Inside, the cabin has been refreshed with newly upholstered leather on the bucket seats, adding a touch of comfort and sophistication to the interior. A built-in toolbox in the bed provides added convenience. Number 3. 1994 Ford F350, price $8,500. Showing only 91,000 original miles on the odometer. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong and reliable 7.5L V8 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth and effortless performance. The truck features a white exterior complemented by a blue interior, both of which have been well maintained and kept clean, showing care and pride of ownership throughout the years. Despite its age, this F350 runs very well and remains fully functional, offering power windows, air conditioning, and other original equipment that continue to operate as intended. It also includes a bed cap, making it ideal for carrying tools, equipment, or keeping cargo protected from the elements. The truck's overall condition highlights how well it has been cared for. Number 4. 1993 Ford F350, price $9,500. The truck is a well-maintained, all-original truck that showcases both reliability and classic durability. It has 230,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior comes in sleek black, complemented by a gray interior, and it runs on diesel fuel powered by the legendary 7.3-liter non-turbo engine. The engine and transmission are mechanically sound, and both the heating and air conditioning systems function properly, making it a dependable vehicle for daily use or heavy-duty hauling. Recently, new fuel pumps were installed, and the truck remains up to date with all service and maintenance. Despite its age, it continues to haul like a champ, maintaining the strength and performance Ford trucks are known for. Number 5. 1993 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000. This a clean and all-original example that has been family-owned since new. With 154,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well maintained and remains highly reliable. The truck features a 4.3L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and consistent performance. Finished in burgundy with a gray interior, it has received one professional repaint since new, preserving its classic appeal. The cabin is equipped with cold air conditioning, hot heat, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel, with everything in full working order. Powered by gasoline, this S10 runs strong and can be confidently driven anywhere. Number 6. 1996 Ford F350, price $5,000. It features a clean white exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a classic and sturdy appearance. Recently, the truck underwent a full tune-up that included an oil change, replacement of spark plugs and wires, a new distributor cap, and a new rotor. In addition, a 3-row aluminum radiator has been installed, the differential oil has been changed, the rear fuel pump has been replaced, and a new fuel filter has been fitted. Despite its solid condition and extensive recent servicing, there are a few issues worth noting. The truck experiences a fuel delivery problem when switching between the two tanks, likely due to a faulty front fuel pump, which can cause it to stall while driving. Additionally, the rear main seal has a minor oil leak, and the driver's door requires new alignment pins. Number 7. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. This truck is a well-kept example of a classic full-size pickup, showing approximately 239,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and is powered by a dependable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine, known for its balance of performance and durability. The truck is finished in a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a timeless and cohesive appearance. This long bed configuration provides generous cargo space, making it ideal for work, hauling, or everyday practicality. Despite its age, the truck runs and drives great, reflecting consistent care and maintenance over the years. It comes with a clean title in hand, ensuring a smooth ownership experience. Number 8. 1988 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. It has approximately 211,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission. The current owner has diligently maintained the truck, keeping up with all necessary services to ensure its reliability and performance. The front suspension has been completely rebuilt, featuring new shocks all around, new brake calipers, front brake pads, front rotors, and brake lines. Most of the suspension components, including the pitman arms, idler arms, serpentine belt, and idler pulley, have also been replaced with new parts. The truck runs exceptionally well and shows no signs of overheating, thanks in part to a brand new radiator. It is registered through November 2025 and rides on Eagle alloy rims fitted with tires that still have a good amount of tread remaining. Number 9. 1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. Both the exterior and interior come in a tan finish, giving it a clean and classic look. It runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.7L Vortec engine. The truck has been lowered 5 inches in the front with 3-inch lowering springs and 2-inch drop spindles, and 6 inches in the rear using a flip kit and bolt-on C-notch. Beltec shocks are installed on both the front and rear, providing a smoother and more controlled ride. It sits on stylish 20-inch wheels that enhance its stance and street presence. Inside, it's equipped with a double DAN radio, new SCAR front and rear speakers, and a comfortable tan interior with no rips or tears on the seats. The dashboard does have a crack, but otherwise, the interior remains in good condition. Number 10. 1995 Ford F150, price $5,000. This truck has approximately 150,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission. It comes in a green exterior with a gray interior, powered by a gasoline engine. The truck has recently received several replacements, including the oil pan, air conditioning system, starter, ignition, and headlights. Despite being 30 years old, it still runs well overall. However, there appears to be an intermittent power issue. At times, the truck may fail to start or stall after running for an extended period. With its classic styling, reliable drivetrain, and recently updated components, this F-150 remains a solid representation of Ford's durable pickup heritage, though it could use some attention to resolve the occasional electrical or power-related issue.